Ever wanted to bring the taste of a tropical cruise into your own home? Today I'm sharing the recipe for the Hummingbird, a fan favourite on P&O cruise ships. With spiced rum, Malibu and a luscious mix of pineapple and vanilla, this drink is a tropical getaway in a glass. Stick around and I'll show you how you can make it too. Hey everyone, tonight we're making a Hummingbird cocktail, and what we need for this is spiced rum, Malibu coconut rum, pineapple juice, vanilla syrup and a lemon. This is a coconut rum flavoured cocktail and it is really delicious. Let's get into it. First, let's juice 15 ml or half an ounce of lemon juice. That's perfect. Okay. Good idea to put ice in the shaker first. Less some ice because I want to put some fresh ice into our glass. Okay. In goes the lemon juice. Now, while we're at it, let's put the pineapple juice in, and we need 30 ml or 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now, we need 15 ml of, just put that there, 15 ml or half an ounce of vanilla syrup. I'm using Monin syrup. And if you drink coffee, it's very good in coffee. Or hot chocolate maybe. Haven't tried that, but it sounds kind of interesting. Okay, so 15 ml or half an ounce of vanilla syrup. Right, now we just need 30 ml each of the rums. So we'll start with the spiced rum. I'm using Captain Morgan Spiced Rum. This is my favourite rum of all the rums that I've had. 30 ml or 1 ounce of spiced rum. Our last ingredient is Malibu coconut rum. If you have another coconut rum you prefer, that's fine. This is the only coconut rum I know that I can access in Australia, but if you have more options, feel free, but you know, how can you beat Malibu? So 30 ml or 1 ounce of Malibu coconut rum. So now we're ready to shake. Make sure that seal is firm, lid on. Now it's a shorter shake for this one because we are pouring it into a glass of ice, so we don't need the shaking to make the drink cold. We just need to mix everything and give it a little tiny bit of dilution. Okay, so we need some fresh ice. So fresh ice into the glass. There we go. And I'm going to strain this in, even though it's, you know, going to have ice, just because I don't want the old ice coming through. That is perfect. I don't think this needs a garnish of any sort, but you could probably throw a cocktail umbrella in there if you really felt motivated. In fact, how about I do that? Here we go, a little umbrella just on the side there. And there we have it, a Hummingbird cocktail. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's give it a taste. Honestly, it has so many flavours mingling together. It just tastes so good. Very tropical. Also like a nice, relaxed drink after the working week. This is really good, really good. Thanks for joining me this week to make another cocktail. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Not too hard at all. I'll see you next Friday for another cocktail. Cheers.